Hello everybody, Oji-san here. Welcome back to the channel. Today is day 4 of our South Korea trip and we are doing something a little different. We are traveling from Seoul to Busan not by the usual KTX train but by premium express bus. Most people go for the high-speed train because it's the fastest, but let me tell you, this premium bus might just be the more relaxing and scenic choice. Let us show you why. First thing first, we headed to the Seoul Express Bus Terminal. The great news, it's super easy to get there. It's right above Express Bus Terminal station on the subway. Just follow the signs and you are there. Once you arrive at the terminal, it's time to buy your ticket. You will see machines like this. Here's how it works. First, change the language to English. Second, tap Purchase Ticket. The departure Seoul is already selected, so just enter your destination. In our case, Busan. There are three types of buses: economy, excellent, and premium. We went with premium for maximum comfort. Next, choose your departure time, pick your seat, check the price, and then pay with your credit card. Your ticket will print right out. Oh, and if you want to book in advance, you can. We actually bought ours through Klook. It's super convenient. Just scan the QR code on the bus, no physical ticket needed. Super easy, especially during busy seasons. After getting your ticket, find your platform. Ours was platform 2, so we waited near there until boarding time. The premium bus will look like this. If you bring large luggage, you can store it in the trunk under the bus. This is not our bus, by the way. It will come at later time after this bus. This is our bus. Let's get inside. Each seat comes with a personal entertainment screen, a USB charging port, and a tray for eating or working. The seats are large, super comfy, and can recline almost like a bed. Plenty of legroom, and even blinds for added privacy. Perfect for a long ride like this one. We are surprised to see the premium bus. Honestly, it felt more like business class on a plane. About halfway through the 4-hour ride, we made a quick 15 minutes stop at a rest area. It's the perfect time to stretch your legs, use the restroom, and maybe grab a quick snack. The rest stop was lively and full of tasty Korean snacks, a fun mini detour. By the way, we were traveling during Seollal, the Korean Lunar New Year, one of the biggest holidays here. In 2025, it was celebrated from January 29th to 31st. This is one of the busiest travel seasons in Korea. People go back to their hometowns and train tickets are incredibly hard to get, especially for tourists, since there are blackout dates for KTX reservations. But bus tickets are still available online during this time, So this premium bus is a fantastic alternative. After getting our drinks, it's time to get back on the bus. Now, we finally arrive at Busan Express Bus Terminal. The journey? Smooth, relaxing, and absolutely worth it. Just a heads up, you will need to grab your own luggage from the bus trunk. No big deal, just something to remember. From the terminal, we still had to head into Busan City. The terminal is about 45 minutes away by train from the main Busan station. But don't worry, the train station is right next to the bus terminal and it's clearly marked. Just follow the signs. And here we are, finally in Busan. We are off to check into our Airbnb and explore this beautiful coastal city. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Your support truly means the world to us. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, may you have joy wherever you are. See you in the next video.